Welcome to World in 2 Minutes. These are your headlines. The two sides in the Yemen conflict have agreed to exchange hundreds of prisoners. They also accuse each other of violating a 7-day ceasefire that began at midday on Tuesday. Delegations representing Yemen's President Abdurrabbu Mansur Hadi and the Houthis are meeting in Switzerland. The UN sponsoring the talks to try to end the war that's killed nearly 6,000 people. It began in March when the Houthis launched an offensive to depose the Hadi government. Houthis are allied with Iran, while a Saudi Arabia coalition backs fighters loyal to the president. Boko Haram attacked 3 villages in Borno state on Saturday, killing at least 30 civilians and wounding 20. The news has only recently emerged due to Boko Haram's strategy of damaging communications posts. Boko Haram began launching anti-government attacks in Nigeria in 2009. It's killed thousands of people and displaced 1.5 million others. US Secretary of State John Kerry met Russian President Vladimir Putin to discuss how to end the war in Syria. Kerry says the two countries have the ability to make a significant difference in Syria. He also said they'd found common ground and Moscow had agreed to attend UN talks about Syria on Friday. Russia's one of Bashar al Assad's strongest allies, but the US doesn't want Assad involved in any political transition. China's asked for the cancellation of an expected US arms sale to Taiwan. It says it would harm relations between China and Taiwan. China considers Taiwan part of Chinese territory and opposes all arms sales to the island. The United States is the main supplier to Taiwan's armed forces. Thanks for watching. TRTworld.com, Istanbul.